4 reasons why a pro should clean your tile, stone, and grout. Professional cleaning is cost-effective. Professional tile, stone, and grout cleaners use powerful equipment unavailable to the general public. Letting them put this powerful equipment to use in your home saves you time and money. Experts will also provide recommendations for how to care for your surfaces so you can significantly extend their lifespan. There are also coupons available for your tile, stone, and grout service, making it fit well within your budget. How often should I have professionals clean my tile, stone, and grout? It's recommended to have your tile, stone, and grout cleaned a minimum of once a year. It would be wise to aim for twice, especially if there are children or pets in the home. The pros at BioClean Carpet Cleaning, located in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, can give you the results you're looking for with your tile, stone, and grout. Schedule your appointment today.